guys, we're cooking beans today for the vlog. Been getting dried beans, kidney, lentil, garbanzo beans, that sort of thing. Keeping them in these nice airtight containers, so satisfying. It's much easier and cheaper to cook them dried than trying to lug home a whole bunch of cans every week when I go grocery shopping. But it does take a little bit longer, so I try to make a big batch over the weekend and eat them in sort of like burrito bowls or make hummus with them throughout the week. So I thought I would show you one of my recipes. My kidney beans are already simmering away. I soaked them overnight in cold water, and that cuts down on the cooking process a whole bunch. Pretty much use the same recipe for kidney beans, black beans, and pinto. These are the things that I use. Oh, and sorry for my really gross old school 70s stove in my very old apartment. But I put nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, cumin, bay leaves, red pepper, and a bunch of cayenne because I really like it spicy. And salt. Lots of salt. Taking a note from my friend Allie. Shout out to her again. I didn't have enough quinoa, so I'm doing half quinoa, half rice in my favorite rice cooker ever. Let's see. I usually do quick cooking and then my favorite part. I started the onions with some olive oil and then add my green peppers. Slice them sort of fajita style. And then as the beans cook down, just keep adding water to them. And the sort of scummy stuff on top you can scrape off as you go. And keep adding, tasting, sort of add the spices in different layers. Put a bunch of cloves of garlic in there as well. And then a little bit of tomato paste. This is my finished product. I have the quinoa and rice mixture here. And I sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. I love that stuff. Sweet potato, put some sesame dressing and sriracha, the beans that I made, hummus, and then the green peppers and onions.